fanele chizive mapolisa ava vona na khonamba game ya namusi ro ivona mara Venda iko tio finya za kwata ari ambe uri ichi thoma isongo finya za kwata musi game zichiva ya mapelo nini karitambe musi game zichi thoma ngori mapedziselo ni ṅwana iṅwe ive ko ṱoḓo ḓi vhona ika vhuimo ha khwine zwine Venda vha nga ita zwone kha vhatambe vha na mafulufulu vha wane na vhatambe vhane vha vha na experience vhano swika vhararu vhana ndi zwone zwine vha nga vha thusa hevo.
Yes, this is Casual Mkanzi. I'm the chairman of Casric Stars. We're grateful for this day. It was a great game. Yes, we came here for 3 points, but however, yes, we knew that we were going to face a very tough opposition in Venda FC. They're fighting for their life right at the bottom of the log. Yes, this 1 point that we've achieved today is a point that we're hopeful that it will probably take us to the playoffs. We still have one more game to go at home. We urge all our supporters to come in numbers and ensure that as we get into this field, we will make sure that we achieve. All we need now is just a win to go through to the playoffs, and then what will happen next will be seen.
I wouldn't say a difficult match per se, but yeah, we need to respect football. We need to respect our opponents, not the result that we wanted, but I don't think we deserve to get a point. But football is not about what you deserve; it's about what you get, and we didn't get what we wanted. But I don't want to fault the boys. I think we fought, but it goes back to the mental strength, where we prepared them mentally and said, where you feel like you are tired, that's when the real job starts. And unfortunately, we considered in a way where we were prepared to suffer with the aerial ball and make sure that we win the second part. But we failed. But yeah, we'll mature from here and make sure that in our next match we grind and fight with our lives. The most important one is to make sure that we focus on the next match, and then after the next match, then we can talk about certain things.
My name is Thohoyndou Stadium. I'm a supporter of Casric Stars, a national organizer at the national office. I'm also a chairman with the Pumla branch. I'm very excited with today's results, as we got a draw against Venda Academy. I think it was a very crucial draw because we came here for 3 points, obviously, as we want to maintain our position 3. It happened that we conceded early, and then we were looking obviously to equalize and win. And then we realized that Black Leopards and Kruger United are losing. So we thought, no, we just need a draw. And then we had there to sing and push the boys just to get that one goal for 1 point. And yes, we did. We got a very crucial point, which maintained us at position 3. And then, yeah, going forward, I think we will be going all out. It's the last game at home. We call it Slaughterhouse. We know a win will settle the playoffs, so we're going all out. We're not leaving any stone unturned. We're looking for 3 points, and surely we'll get the points with the support. As you can see, we travel very far from Gomhlanga to here. So it means next week, Slaughterhouse will be full, will be packed, just for us to get the 3 points and get through to the playoffs. Thank you.
Good afternoon. A very good afternoon in Venda, Thohoyndou Stadium. This was a very good day for us because we were so scared when we came here. We are in position 3 and we are followed by the teams with the same number of points as us. We had an advantage of a goal difference, so it was so very scary. About today's game, my name is Pastor Amos Mashishi. I'm a supporters coordinator for Casric Stars. So we came here in numbers to support our team today because we knew that all the other teams, Black Leopards, Orbit College and the other team, they want to go for the playoffs. So we could see that nothing we can do with the Devon City situation, but the number 2 and number 3, we had to fight our socks out. We are so delighted that Coach Mtombe managed to cover the score because we were 1-0 down before half-time. Then we came back very strong and managed to score a goal. That consolidates our position in position 3. Casric Stars is going for playoffs, and not just for playoffs. We're going for the Betway Primo League. Remember, first season we lost very closely to getting promotion. Then the second season, it was a season to fix, but even that season was so good. Now season number 3, we are clinching the Betway status. No matter whoever comes from the Betway, you will find Premier, you will find the Casric stars ready for them.
Thank you.
We are ready for the fight. We are taking them on.
Thank you so much.
We're not ending here. Thank you, my brother.
Ni support team ya VF ngorde ya yo the other ntakadzanya na ichiko kutome kuwina ngange ka first half okoro mula msuwana no fetao ya the weather mbaisa musi ichi ndo ya koriwa ngapel changa bo 70 minutes ndo ndakado bakudzore me aro peche nyana mistake hola mrao akwa nombedzana na kipa ngore me kipa dizamo oreshuma uri save out to bozo dino bara mwana mozhibo sino kodomborere coach yasho otudzanyana na defender dzawe vatambi vapfesesana sa vathu vone vakotamba vote I think nga rimisichota mana Kruger next week Sunday ridoviya na 3 point ine ra kona survive relegation.
Black Leopards na yone ikofana na Venda amba ka Venda na yone iya relaxa ichithoma ka first round ya relaxa ya tadofinya zichikwata ka second round zvine vya konda ugonya thava na yone ikofuna uri iwane vatambi vane vangayithusa vane va vana experience ifinye zikwate ichithoma maphedziseloni idodiwana ichikopromotiwa volweluwa.